Hey guys, welcome to the pod. My name is AJ.
Hello guys, this is Lex. Welcome back.
So guys, as you can see, today was a phenomenal day at the stock market today. Um, so bank stocks, we were talking about bank stocks in the last video and how if you want to invest them, not financial advice again, not financial advice. It was a very great opportunity to get in. The market overreacted with the bank crisis, but when the Fed stepped in, got the backstop and everything, it was an opportunity that a lot of people took. A lot of CEOs of the banks even bought stock at that price. So that's when I started buying stocks into. And then Tuesday morning pre-market, as you can see, I'll share the screen right now and share some of the bank stocks that we were looking at. Um, wait, give me 1 second. Well, let me share this screen right now. Okay, so the Dow closes more than 300 points higher, snaps a 5-day losing streak. Bank shares rebound, and as you can see, First Republic straight off the bat in the morning from 37 to $43, $49. And if you remember me telling you that it dropped to all the way to the 22 19 $19 or something like that, and then it
Mhm.
shot up and it doubled it, you would have doubled your money. Well, if you would have held on, if you were the guys that held on to the stock, you basically tripled your money. Because holy ish, like this is phenomenal for bank stock, especially First Republic Bank, because remember we did say that JP Morgan was gonna come in and help out with that. And especially when the CPI came in as very good numbers, you saw the big pop that I was talking about at 7:30 that happened. Now, Western Alliance was one of another bank that did phenomenal. Charles Schwab went up. Bank of America went up. Now, something to note. I also want to share this screen right here. So this was Charles Schwab today. Okay. It as you can see, the biggest time it was close to six. It did break $60. As you can see, the high was 61, and the low point was around $54 today. And this happened because of that Russian jet and the US drone collision or something. So this happened, and as soon as the Russian embassy and the US ambassador, or the Russian ambassador in US, Anatoly Antonov, said that they don't want a confrontation, it went right back to where it was at. So basically you see, like, the graph going back. And amazing day for Citigroup, JP Morgan. Pac W was another good one. It went back up to, like, it went back up above 17. And Goldman Sachs was another good one, but right now it's still a bumpy ride. It's still, I would say, going below the moving average. So be careful going into tomorrow. If you do want to lock in profits, like I said, this is a day trading market right now because the climate is just so very risky. Like, uh, it's just, if you have the money and the guts to stay long term in these kind of portfolios, then hey, by all means. But as for me, I'm only day trading right now. If I see a good opportunity, that's what I'm going to be taking. Uh, Any any questions from you, Lex?
Well, uh, how's that? How did that happen? Where yes, you was panicking, everybody was panicking. Now the stock market is looking good.
Well,
Is
most of the panic did come because of last week's SVB debacle, and then there was Signature Bank. So in the morning, the pre-market, everything was dumping, and then when the market started realizing that the Fed has a backstop and will intervene if any of these banks fail, so depositors can get their money. So investors just took the risk and is going with it. And then today's CPI data came out where inflation is actually lowering. That was actually another good signal to buy. So a lot of people bought. Now again, what I'm trying to emphasize is that pre-market, things happen very quickly and it's a lot of less traders. So things could get really high really quick and then people start selling off. So that's why you'll probably see a little tumble during intraday hours. Now, again, would I say the climate's safe for banks? I don't know because there could be ripple effects going towards the tech sector, going towards the bank sector, and it might, move over to other sectors. And if it does do that, if it does move to other sectors, then you can see a whole domino effect and a lot of things breaking. And it'll be very interesting to see what the Fed can keep fixing and what can happen. So we also got a war on the other side of the ocean that could, you know, change things drastically. So things can fall very quickly. It's very, very risky. People do want to put their money in the market, so things can, go up really quick, and things could sell off really quick too. So just be careful whenever you're in the stock market. Anything can happen.
Is yeah, that's the risk of being in trading, no? It's risky and it's fast also.
So, anyways, looking forward to tomorrow. I think it might be like, I mean, so like we said, ChatGPT predicted that there could be a stock market crash. So I'm not really bullish or bearish. I just think the market's gonna be doing its thing. So it could go either way. You just gotta look at how uh the first 15 minutes, 20 minutes to see which way the market's gonna go and the direction it's gonna go to. So I would play it just safe and try to see if I see any good options. I'll pick it up and then probably sell it within the 10-15 minute time frame that it gives.
So, but this is what you're going to do. And again, we keep repeating and repeating. We're not telling you guys what to do. Uh, Make sure you know if you're trading, make sure you know what you're doing. We're not telling people what to do.
Yeah, that's not financial advice. It's just strategies that I put out there of what I do. And going forward, see other opportunities. I think I would go for the tech industry that took a hit as well. See some tech stocks go back up. But right now, just enjoy the ride. If the CPI data was good to the next week's rate hike. So that's going to be a very volatile session too, and we'll keep you updated for those kind of events that's going to be occurring.
Yes. And well, we will see what's gonna happen tomorrow.
All right,
I'm
man.
excited about that ChatGPT and see what's if it's gonna happen or not. But
Yeah, I mean,
we talk about it.
I don't think I honestly think right now 95% of the chance is not going to happen.
Or
But I mean,
just
then again, I don't know. I don't have a fortune
we'll just
cookie
leave
in
it
front
like
of
that.
me, but if the AI does, then hey, next time I'll know to bet on AI.
Just leave it like that. Let's go ahead and we're gonna talk about it in the next video. Uh, it is gonna be exciting to know what's gonna happen.
Okay. All
Okay,
right, guys. Thank you. Give us a like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
thank you guys.